Do you wish you could predict the future? If you can see patterns, sometimes you can. That's right. Music is filled with patterns, which is why learning music can help you with other academic subjects as well. Here are some patterns based on the numbers 2 and 3. First of all, the clave pattern. Get ready now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Another pattern based on 2 and 3 is the pattern of the black keys on the piano. Seeing patterns helps us to remember more information. How many numbers can you keep in your head at once? Look at these numbers. Can you remember them all? Now look at these. How about them? The rest of this video has a set of songs and chants that you can learn that will teach you the patterns of the multiplication table. The important thing is for you to sing along. Keep the dancing to a minimum. The multiplication table may seem at first to be a confusing mass of 100 numbers, but as you take the time to look closer, you will see that it is full of patterns. Some of the patterns are more obvious than others. Remember this screen? If you did remember it, it's because you saw that the pattern was counting by 5s to 50. Let's do that all together. Ready? Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Good job. Let's try it one more time. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. What makes this pattern easy is that 5 and 0 are the only numbers we have in the ones place value. Another well-known pattern is found in the 2s column. You know this one, I think. Hey, 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? 0, 0, the number 0. Say it again. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? 0, 0, the number 0. Say it again. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? 0, 0, the number 0. Place value. The numbers in the multiplication table use 3 different place values: the 1s, the 10s, and at the bottom right-hand corner, the hundreds. We'll be focusing on the patterns in the 1s place value, the number on the right. In our example here, 364, the number in the 1s place value is the number 4. In this version of the multiplication table, all the numbers in the 1s place value are underlined. That's where we'll be looking for our patterns today. Remember when we counted by 5s to 50? The pattern in the 1s place value was 50. That's it. Say it again. 50. And who can forget the 2s pattern? 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? 0, 0, the number 0. Say it again. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? 0, 0, the number 0. As you look down the twos column, you'll see that we go through that pattern twice in the ones place value. But look at this. We go through that same pattern in the eights column if we go from the bottom up. So then, starting at the top of the eights column, if we go from the top down, the ones place value will be the backwards version or inverse of the pattern in the twos column. Eight, 6, 4, 2. How do patterns come to you? Practice, 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 practice. Do it again. 8, 6, 4, 2. How do patterns come to you? Practice, 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 practice. Do it again. 8, 6, 4, 2. How do patterns come to you? Practice, 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 practice. Once we have the pattern of the ones place value, counting by eights is easier. Try it with me. Like this. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Do you get it now? I said 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Let's try it again. I said 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Do you get it now? I said 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. That's counting by eights. Now, let's go all the way to 80. You ready? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Reset and do it. 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Do it again. I said 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Reset, do it again. I said 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Counting by nines is easy because the pattern in the ones place value is 9, then counting backwards by 1. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now count by nines to 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Do it again now. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Now here's the hard one. The pattern in the ones place value in the threes column goes through all the digits. Good thing we've been practicing the threes column at recess. Say it with me. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Now, let's just try the patterns in the ones place value. Okay. 3, 6, 9, 2, 5, 8, 1, 4, 7, 0. We see this pattern going in the inverse direction in the sevens column. 3, 6, 9, 2, 5, 8, 1, 4, 7. Now, let's practice the inverse version of that pattern. 7, 4, 1, 8, 5, 2, 9, 6, 3. Do it again. 7, 4, 1, 8, 5, 2, 9, 6, 3. Let's use that pattern to count by sevens. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Do it again. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Finally, the last pair of columns, the 4s column and the 6s column. We've been practicing the 4s at recess. Let's sing it now. Here we go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, oh yeah. So finally, when we go from the bottom up in the 6s column, we see that same pattern as we saw going down in the 4s column, 4, 8, 2, 6. So our final inverse pattern is 6, 2, 8, 4 for counting by 6s. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, oh yeah. We've looked at the patterns in the ones place value in the multiplication table and found that there really are just 5 different patterns. The ones column pattern, or normal counting by ones, with the 9s column having the inverse pattern, counting down from 9. The 2s column pattern, with the 8s column having the inverse pattern. The 3s column pattern, with the 7s column having the inverse pattern. The 4s column, with the 6s column having the inverse pattern. The 5s column has a pattern all its own. When you make your next multiplication table, knowing these patterns should help. Practicing these patterns will help too.